Your GoPro Hero comes loaded with presets for photo, video and time-lapse modes. But did you know that you can create your very own GoPro presets too? In only a matter of minutes, you can create your own unique presets that suit your lifestyle and your activities. Setting up your own unique presets for your GoPro Hero is super easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. Well, right now I've got the Hero 11 in front of me, and if I tap on the oblong down the bottom, and then I scroll down, and up here at the top, you can see this little icon here with an up and down arrow. If I tap on that, it's going to bring up a new screen, and then if I hit the plus button, the plus is going to give me the option for a new preset. So we have a choice of either video or looping. I'm going to choose video. And once you tap on video, it brings up a new preset screen, and you can change the mode if you wish to whatever you like, video or looping. I'm going to keep it a video. You can change the resolution, frames per second. You can also change your lens. Let's make this one linear. Tap it to go back. You can put hyper smooth on or off if you wish. And you can also adjust some other settings, and just like that. You can even change your Pro Tune settings as well. Once you're happy with your preset, you just want to tap on the blue tick up here in the top right hand corner. And now you can choose a name for your new preset setting. So you can tap on custom, or we can choose one of the other selections that's available right here, right now. I like this one up here, which is epic. So we're going to put it on that one. Hit the tick again, and then now if you tap down the bottom, you can see we now have our unique preset, which is called Epic. If you want to delete your preset, that's pretty easy. Just tap on the up down arrow again, and it gives you the option to press the red X to delete that setting if necessary. You can also do the same thing on your photo mode as well. Once again, you tap on the oblong and you tap on the up and down arrow up the top here, and it gives you a choice of what you'd like to what sort of preset you'd like to choose, either photo, burst or night photo. Go through the same process as before. Just get out of that. And this option is also available with time-lapse settings as well, which will come in super handy. And once again, we scoot down, press the up and down arrow at the top, press the plus again, and it gives you some options there of what sort of preset that you wish to choose for the time-lapse options. Time warp, star trails, or light painting. Let's go with star trails. Once again, if you're happy with the settings, going to tap on the tick, and now it's actually saved that. We have to choose a name for it, of course. Let's call this one, we'll call this one outdoor. Tap on the tick, and now you can see there, it is now listed as one of your options under time-lapse mode. Having the freedom to create your very own presets for your GoPro Hero lets you get the most out of your filmmaking experience. It's also a great time saver too. You can put presets into your camera, and when you're out and about filming some activity, it's a much quicker process to find that preset and then activate that to get the very best footage for your activity. To learn more about how you can get the most out of your GoPro Hero, click on the video over here right now. As usual, thanks for your company, and I'll see you in the next video.